As liquidity tightens around the world, factoring is becoming an attractive alternative for trade transactions. GTR meets Margrith Lütschg, president of Malta-based trade finance bank Fimbank, to discuss the growth in demand for factoring products.
More and more people see receivable finance, factoring, as an important product in the future. And there is a lot of initiatives to bring ideas how it can be harmonized. The biggest growth is definitely in domestic trade, because that is where the regular business and the smaller values are. But obviously for industries, pharmaceuticals are very important, spare parts, textiles, handicrafts, spices, herbs. Industries in general are, interested to look how we can structure to use receivable finance, because everybody knows it's easier to do open account than letters of credits and other structures.
Fimbank launched a factoring joint venture in India in 2011, and Lütschg explains how favorable regulations and economic growth have helped business in the country.
India has changed its laws and regulations to such a degree that we now feel we can offer the product much safer than 5-6 years ago. Last year it was our first year, and we expected a loss. We made a profit. So it was really a huge growth immediately, and we have already established 7 branches in India. But we do now see a little bit of a slowdown, because India also has a little bit felt the recession in the world, less exports and everything. So we do expect it to be a bit consolidating this year.
Fimbank recently opened a joint venture in Brazil, is looking to launch another one in Kenya, and is keeping an eye on business liberalization in China. But Lütschg warns that standardization of the laws governing factoring is essential in emerging markets.
You have to really be alert, flexible, and helping the governments in the emerging markets to change, to make it better, to make the business safer. That's the key issue in the emerging markets, to make sure there is enough information available and the laws are adjusted so enforcement is possible and all that. And that's part of our job.